Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Let's start with Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin is in front of this massive resistance, and now we also have officially green line above red line. This happened around here, around 18th of August, when I got 7 counts buy signal, and now Bitcoin is facing resistance right in front of this daily 50 SMA and EMA line, yellow and red line. Let's see if it's going to break out. And if that breaks out, it's going to be very explosive. And then the next resistance from here would be all the way up from where we are right now to the next resistance is almost 13-14% away, guys. All right. And we'll see how it goes. We'll review Bitcoin, we'll review all the major indices, we'll review crypto, we'll review major FANG stocks and commodities. Please hit the like button, guys. Only takes 1 second to hit the like and share this channel with friends and family and subscribe. Really appreciate that. Okay, thank you. So yeah, like I said, we're looking good. Everything is looking good. Crossover happened. So don't be fooled and don't be try to short here. I think Bitcoin is getting ready, just consolidating below this red line, which is 50 SMA. And I think it's just getting ready. One big move, and then it's going to be a very explosive start. All right. So be very careful shorting it here. Ethereum, same thing, just consolidation, making a flag. Uh, Now it's above this white line, which is 20 moving average. So it's looking okay. And just consolidation, just waiting for Bitcoin to make its move, and then Ethereum will follow. One thing to note on Ethereum futures, there's next gap around 3,000, after that 39.49. So if Ethereum needs to move above this for the first gap fill, it's 14% away. Second gap fill is around 50% away. All right. So for Ethereum to fill these gaps, Bitcoin really needs to act and move fast, right? So that's the only way Ethereum is going to move. And I think it's doing a nice consolidation. So be ready, guys. All right. That's it for crypto. All right. And I will show you buy and sell signals where we are right now. Short term, right now, we are just consolidating from sell zone, just coming back to neutral zone. So look to buy below 59,675. That happens. And on Ethereum, right now we are in the middle. Look to buy below 2587. If you guys don't know what this is, green line is where we buy, red line is where we sell. And if you want to know more about this, I share this every hour with my subscriber. Click the join button, and I share trades I'm taking and what other all of the major indices I'm sharing, buy and sell zones. One trade can make you for the membership fees. All right. Okay, all right. So now moving on to SPX cycle analysis. Let's look at side-by-side comparison on what I'm expecting. So here you go. So you can see this yellow cycle. We are in this rising phase. So actually, this rising phase is topping out actually today or tomorrow, right? Thursday or Friday. So we'll see what happens. FOMC minutes came yesterday, but market still kept going higher. Market is grinding higher. I think it feels like until election it will keep grinding higher, and then it will make a major move. So uh, I think it's not easy to short here. However, cycle analysis is telling me that a declining phase is coming starting next week. Friday, tomorrow is Jackson Hole. We'll see if that's going to act as a catalyst, or are there any other major events? But we are looking for a declining phase. So there are two ways the next couple of weeks going to act out. Either we're going to chop around here, make a flag, and then break out, or we're going to get a decline, like I said here. So we'll see what happens. But for now, looking for not much, just hold here probably today and then wait for Friday. Whatever Jerome Powell says, it's going to make a next move after that. Market is near new all-time high. If you look at SPY, this gap is still not filled. I'm looking for this gap to fill around 563. So probably will fill that gap. One other thing to note on SPX, we're getting a 9 count sell signal here. Okay, daily candle. Last time we went a little bit higher, then dumped. Here also we got slightly higher, then we went down. So you can see here we got 9 counts. We had a red day. So we could have a red day any time, any day. So again, I can expect this kind of, you can see this declining phase. We were consolidating and then bounce. So that's one possibility. Or second possibility is like this, going lower. All right. So we'll see how what plays out. But again, if you're a long-term holder until end of this year, 5,900 is my target. So nothing to worry about. MES live futures, we are near sell zone. We had, I think, a jobs report. Jobs report, I think, came. So let's see. Uh, UK weekly claim unchanged, so I'm not sure what the latest headline is, but okay, something with the jobs report looks like it might be in line. That's why market is still green. Okay, so MES, S&P 500 daily chart grinding higher near resistance, nothing much here. MNQ, Nasdaq, same thing here, grinding higher. And you can see yesterday we're approaching sell zone, dump, sell zone approaching, dump. So that's all we were doing yesterday. So right now, daily chart trying to go higher. Now, triple Q's Nasdaq has a lot of room to go. There are a lot of gaps, so that can drag S&P 500 higher. So the next gap is around 495. So just keep that in mind. From where we closed yesterday to that gap, we still have around 2.71% to go. All right. So there's still a lot of room on tech stocks to go higher, Nasdaq. So let's see how it plays out. Dow Jones, DIA ETF in a neutral zone right now. Again, in front of resistance, but I think it broke it. So if I draw a line like that from here to here, you can see it's above resistance. So it can also start to push higher. DIA ETF, no gaps to the top, one gap to the bottom. So we'll see what they do. Russell is a bit weaker, but again, in the neutral zone right now. And on IWM, the gap is all the way here around 207, but they want to fill this top gap first, looks like. So that's right, very like few percentage, micro percentage away. So I think they're going to fill that gap. And then on Friday, depending on what Jerome Powell says, they might dump it, and the next move will start there. All right, so let's move on to Hang Seng Index, China. All right, so China is in the sell zone. So nice bullish candle yesterday. So you can see we were building divergences. So you can see price was going lower. Actually, and you can see, no, actually no divergence here. Actually, this one was slight divergence. No, but anyhow. So we were going lower and then we broke out and then we back test and now we're going higher looks like. So we're just consolidating below this red line, which is 50 simple moving average, looking for a massive move. And but short term for today, it's near sell zone. All right. Tesla is right now near sell zone um, in the daily chart, but on a day trading, I mean, sorry, on a daily chart, it's above this trending line. On day trading chart, it's near sell zone. So you can see we we broke above this trend line, back tested it day before yesterday, and now holding. And I think the next target is this gap fill around 245. After that, Apple is also near sell zone. Next, there's a gap around 234. That's the target. Amazon has a lot of room, in my opinion, to go. Next is gap fill 183. Then after that, 192. Uh, Netflix is down, not sure why, near neutral zone, but it's already near new highs. 8 counts, 9 counts sell signal. So let's see. Don't be fooled. Look to buy the dip on Netflix. Google is also another good buy, in my opinion. There are a couple of gaps. All these gaps will be filled, but a lot of room up. So all these major stocks will not let market down, guys. They're already corrected. Meta already near highs. Microsoft is another one. Okay, so this is another good stock to buy with multiple gaps to the top side. So these stocks will hold the market regardless how NVDA does. Snowflakes is down in the buy zone. Bad earnings. Uh, Looks like they want to fill this gap around 116. So really dumping hard here, 10% down. NVIDIA is holding the market up 1%. Looks like it wants to make a new all-time high. Earnings is coming, so maybe they will just keep pumping until earnings. AVGO is also near sell zone. Again, trying to make a new high here. Let's look at commodities very quick. Gold is little weak, but it made a new all-time high. So with some divergences, new high with divergences. So look to take profits, in my opinion. Silver will do what gold will do, but it's a bit weaker than gold in the neutral zone right now. Copper is just touching the buy zone, daily chart, and also consolidating, flagging. Copper is a better buy than silver and gold, in my opinion. Crude oil is also double bottom, trying to go higher, so near the buy zone. Natural gas is also in the buy zone area. Palladium is in the middle neutral zone right now. Soybeans just making a bottom. These are good prices. So soybeans, sugar, and wheat and corn all these commodities, I think they're trying to bottom and are in really good area to buy. That's my personal opinion. Wheat is also trying to make a bottom. Corn is also trying to make a bottom. Dollar, is it finding some strength? It counts buy signal. If Jerome Powell says something tomorrow bearish, then this is going to pump. But if they say rates are coming down, then it will dump. It will break this support as well. That's it for today, guys. If let's look at VIX. Here you go. VIX is crushing above 16. I hope it crush. So if it crushed, then we know that next couple of days market is going to go higher. All right, guys, that's it for today. If there's any particular stocks you want me to review, put a comment. I will take a look in the next video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.